Hello, good day to you. How are you today? You're fine, right? Okay. Today we are going to learn about spelling our numbers from number 31 to 60. Okay? Are we ready? We are going to learn from 31 to 60 how to spell our numbers with words. Are we ready? Good. Okay, let's go. We're first of all going to be learning from number 31 to 40. We are going to be learning from number 31 to 40, okay? First, we're going to start from 31 to 40, okay? Let's go. How do we spell 31? We spell 30 and 1 together. We spell 30 and 1 together, okay? Let's spell 31. THIRTYONE 31. Remember we said we spell 30 and 1 together. Okay, how do we spell 32? We spell 30 and 2 together. THIRTYTWO 32. How do we spell the next number 33? We do what? Spell 30 and 3 together. Okay? Let's spell THIRTYTHREE 33. And how do we spell 34? We spell 30 and 4 together. Are we ready? Okay, let's spell THIRTYFOUR 34. And how do we spell 35? We spell 30 and 5 together. THIRTYFIVE 35. The next number is what? 36. And how do we spell 36? We spell 30 and 6 together. THIRTYXIX 36. And how do we spell the next number 37? We spell 30 and 7 together. Right? Let's spell THIRTYSEVEN 37. And how do we spell 38? We spell 30 and 8 together. THIRTYEIGHT 38. And how do we spell 39? We spell 30 and 9 together. Okay? THIRTYNINE 39. We got that right? And how do we spell 40? We spell 40 FORTY 40. We spell 40 as FORTY. Okay, did we get that? So we spell 31 with 30 and 1 together. We did the same with 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, are we ready to move to the next spelling? Good, let's go over to the next spelling. We are going to be learning how to spell from 41 to 50. We are going to be learning how to spell from 41 to 50. Okay? In the previous slide, we saw how we spell 40, right? We spelled it as FORTY, right? FORTY. So now we're going to be spelling from 41. And how do we spell from 41? We spell 40 and 1 together. Okay? Let's go. 41 is spelled FORTYONE 31. And how do we spell 42? 40 and 2 together, and 40 is spelled Forty, and 2 is spelled Two. Okay, so we're going to be spelling 40 and 2 together for us to spell 42. Okay, let's spell Forty, 42. Did we get that? And how do we spell 43? Forty, 43. We spelled 40 and 3 together, right? Correct. Good. And how do we spell our next number? 44 is our next number, right? And how do we spell 44? We spell 40 and 4 together. Let's go. Forty, FOUR, 44. And now did we spell 44? We spelled 40 and 4 together. Okay, the next number is 45. 45. And how do we spell 45? We spell 40 and 5 together. Good. Are you ready to spell? Let's go. Forty, FIVE, 45. 45. We spelled 45 with 40 and 5 together, okay? And how do we spell 46? 40 and 6 together. Correct. We spell 40 and 6 together. Are you ready to spell? Okay, let's go. Spell with me. FORTYSIX, 46. 46. We spell 46 with 40 and 6 together. FORTYSIX, 46. And the next number here is what? 47. 47. And how do we spell 47? 40 and 7 together. We spell 40 first and 7 next. We spell it then together. Are we ready? Okay, let's spell it. FORTYSEVEN, 47. Is that correct? Good. So how do we spell the next number? 48. 48 is spelled how? 40 and 8 together. Correct. We spell 40 and 8 together. Let's spell FORTYEIGHT, 48. We spelled 40 and 8 together. And it's spelled FORTYEIGHT. Right? Correct. And how do we spell our next number? We have here 49. 49. And how do we spell 49? 40 and 9 together. Right? Good. Now let's spell FORTYNINE, 49. We spelled 40 and 9 together. And now our next number here is number 50. Number what? 50. And how do we spell 50? FIFTY. 50 is spelled FIFTY. 50. Okay? We got that right? Good. Now we are going to move to our next number from 51 to 60. Okay, are we ready? Okay, let's go. We have here how to spell our numbers from 51 to 60. We are ready, right? Good. 51. How do we spell 51? Remember we said 50 is spelled F-I-F-T-Y, 50. So now how do we spell 51? We spell 50 and 1 together, okay? Let's spell F-I-F-T-Y-O-N-E, 51. 51 is spelled F-I-F-T-Y-O-N-E, 51. We spelled 50 and 1 together, okay? The next number here is 52. And how do we spell 52? We spell 50 and 2 together, right? 2 is spelled T-W-O, and 50 is spelled F-I-F-T-Y. So what do? We spell 50 and 2 together. So let's spell F-I-F-T-Y T-W-O, 52, okay? And how do we spell our next number? 53. We have 53 here, right? And how do we spell 53? We spell 50 and 3 together. Okay? F-I-F-T-Y T-H-R-E-E, 53. Okay? Good. And how do we spell 54? We spell 50 and 4 together. Okay? 50 and 4 together. Are we ready to spell? Good. Let's spell F-I-F-T-Y F-O-U-R, 54. How did we spell our 54? We spelled 50 and 4 together. F-I-F-T-Y F-O-U-R, 54. Correct. And how do we spell 55? How do we spell our number 55? We spell 50 and 5 together. Correct. Let's spell F-I-F-T-Y F-I-V-E, 55. 55 is spelled F-I-F-T-Y F-I-V-E, 55. Is that correct? Good. And how do we spell our next number, 56? 56 is spelled out 50 and 6 together, right? Good. Let's spell F-I-F-T-Y-S-I-X. F-I-F-T-Y-S-I-X. That is spelled 56. 56 is spelled out 50 and 6 together. Our next number here is 57, okay? And how do we spell 57? We spell 50 and 7 together. Are we ready to spell 50 and 7 together? Okay, let's go. F-I-F-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. We have 57, okay? We spell 57 as F-I-F-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N, 57. Our next number here is 58. And how do we spell 58? We spell 50 and 8 together. We spell what? 50 and 8 together. Are we ready to spell it? Good. Let's go. F-I-F-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T. We have 58. Our next number here is what? 59. And how do we spell 59? 50 and 9 together. Okay? F-I-F-T-Y-N-I-N-E, 59. 59 is spelled F-I-F-T-Y-N-I-N-E, 59. We spelled 50 and 9 together. And how do we spell our last number? 60. 60 is spelled S-I-X-T-Y. 60. So we spell 60 as S-I-S-T-Y. Okay? Very correct. Good. I hope we enjoyed today's spelling, right?